Hey, guess what, man? I'm with the greatest senators, and we're so proud. Thank you, senators. And with Lawrence Zerbo, HFIA president. But who's the fastest chef?
The man with the pen!
Okay, big shout out to the man in the band. I got two beautiful girls here on Wahoo. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pen!
Okay, big shout out to the man in the band. Hey, guess what, man? I get the man himself. I get the man rolling over here shopping KTA. Who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pen.
Okay, big check on the man in the pan. Awesome.
Hello.
Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to make something really exciting and simple for you. I am going to make surimi. It's a Hilo product, right? See this surimi like that? It's Amano surimi right over here, okay? Found in Hilo. Now everybody from Honolulu, they buy this thing here because they really like the surimi. And it's so easy to make, okay? I grab some shrimp, right? Chop it up. About maybe 6-7 shrimp, okay? Dump it in here. Grab some carrots. Take out the skin. Grate the carrots. Add some color. You can put anything in here. Kind of like mix it up just like this. Okay? Now in there, you crack one egg. Put in an egg. Mix it up. Now some people like to put pepper in everything. So add some pepper and mix it up. And what I'll do with this, I'll fry it. Put on my stove. Put in some olive oil. Okay, I was gonna use this other frying pan, but it's the same man in the pan. But I know it might splash, so I'm gonna use the wok again. I think it's hot enough. Okay, just spoonful like this. Dump it in. Okay. You fry it well on both sides and you flip it up. I made it small spoon size because I want to make sure that it fries fast. Okay, I think it's all done. Look at that, right there. Man, this thing looks good. Okay, here you go. Tempura, right? Surimi tempura. Big Island product. Okay, the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, this is so unbelievably good. Easy to make. And the product comes from Big Island, Amano tempura, mixed with, just simple, mixed with shrimp, eggs, and shredded some carrots. And put little pepper in, and that's it. So until next time, we'll see you on the man in the pan. That was really oishi.